To my YouTube channel, that is AutoMT. I hope you guys are really doing well. So today I'm going to share a video with you all on the topic 2023 Ford Edge. So let's get started with this information soon. Regarding the new light package, which is an optional aesthetic upgrade package for the 2023 Ford Edge, titanium version, 6 new exterior colors choices are also available for the Edge, including iconic silver, rapid red metallic, and the tricoat star white metallic. Although the Edge has two engines, all of them, with the exception of the ST models, come standard with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged that produces 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. With an 8-speed automatic gearbox, it can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 7.5 seconds. The ST's more powerful turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 engine generates around 335 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. It can mph in just 6.8 seconds and features a 7-speed automatic transmission. As Although we regret that the Edge will be withdrawn in 2 years, it's not entirely unexpected. Although a good mid-size SUV, it has never been able to compete with the class leaders. When talking about its performance, 2.7-liter turbo V6 with 335 horsepower and a 2.0-liter turbo 4 with 250 horsepower. When talking about the estimate fuel economy, 21 to 28 mpg and 19 to 25 mpg, with an estimate cost of $34,900 to $43,800. In the meanwhile, LED fog lights are included with the 2023 Ford Edge Titanium and Edge SEL models, in addition to the silver roof rack side rails, which are exclusively available on the top grade. It features a black plastic bottom front fascia and a rocker panel cover to give a vehicle a rugged appearance and provide an off-road protection. As previously stated, all the models which come standard with all-wheel drive, the V6 varies from 19 to 25 mpg, while the four-cylinder only manages dismal gas consumption of around 21 to 28 mpg. We discovered that the Edge has a reliable steering handles belt, and it is not particularly difficult to drive when crammed into small areas. One issue is that the ride doesn't adequately smooth out bumps on the rough terrain. Automatic high beams and a blind spot monitor with a cross traffic alert are considered as in standard safety equipments. Lane keeping technology and an accident prevention up front, Ford is unlike to make much or many interior improvements. Given that the Edge won't be available in 2 years, the new 12-inch touchscreen is a sharp and snappy. The Edge offers a 4G Wi-Fi hotspot with a standard Android Auto and an Apple CarPlay. We were irritated by the complexity. It takes time to customize the climate settings to your tastes, a procedure that may appear straightforward. Everything must be done via touchscreen, which make its nuisance and drivers the focus from the road. Thank you guys for listening up this video. I hope this video was really very wonderful. Guys, do not forget to share, subscribe, and like my channel. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.